If you're bored of the 7-day SuperGrok premium trial, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 2 months of SuperGrok. Earlier, I made a quick tutorial, but a lot of users were facing account issues, so today's video is fully updated. Don't skip any part of this video. If you do, don't complain in the comments later. First, let me show you that this actually works. As you can see, mine shows Grok 4.1, which means SuperGrok is activated, and you can also see the credits available. Now let's try generating a video to check if there are any issues. You can see 10 seconds and 720p resolution are enabled. I'll write a simple prompt and animate it to make sure there are no errors. Congratulations, our video is generating now. And as you can see, the video has been generated successfully. Now we'll start the main process, so don't skip a single second. Let's begin the tutorial. First of all, we need a VPN must. Here I have Soft Ether VPN. For download it, simply go to Chrome and search for Soft Ether VPN download for PC, and hit this first website. Now select the first option and choose Everything Like Me. Then hit here to download the VPN. As I have installed, I will cancel it. But I noticed from 2 users, they said for facing account issue for this VPN, so we will use Proton VPN and obviously free. So head to Proton VPN and connect the server. Make sure you must be connected to Japan server. In my case, mine is connected to Japan at first try. But if your case is different, simply click Change Server until you get Japan server. Now go to Chrome and click Sign Up for Grok. And here, choose Sign Up with Email. There are a ton of websites to get temp mail, but we won't use them because there is issue with these websites and we can't activate 2 months plan on them. That's why you need to simply come at this website from where you can generate temp mails, cards, get SuperGrok plans, also can get any tutorials. Now press in Temp Mail Generator V2. Scroll down and get an email that logged in your device already. I will copy this email, paste it here, and hit Generate 10. It will generate 10 different variants of this email from where you can choose anyone. In my case, I will choose this, so I will tap in Copy. And now I need to hit Choose One. Here I need to paste this email and press OK. Now get back to Grok, paste this email, and hit Sign Up. It will send a code to your email, so now get back to my website and hit Check Inbox, and you will redirect to your mailbox. From here, copy the code and paste it here. Then create your account. Now tap in SuperGrok for free. Select Start 7-Day Trial. Make sure your Proton VPN must be connected into Japan server. From here, choose Card, and now we need bins for generate our card. I will give the link in the description of all working bins. Now copy one from here and get back to our website. Here, choose Card Generator. Now scroll down and paste your bin. Keep the other option as it is, and I will set here 3 because I don't need many. Now hit Generate Cards. You can see here we get 3 cards. Now copy one and go to Grok. Then paste this. If you see this red alert, don't worry, just change the card. For mine, I will use this, and fill up this details as well. Check the country must be selected into Japan, and now hit subscribe. Congratulations, it is done. You can see it live, our SuperGrok activated. And this same Gmail, but for 7 days. Now we need to make this for 2 months. For this, get back to our website and click in SuperGrok. Now choose here Yes. And paste the email that used from here to get SuperGrok activated. You can see here the request is submitted, and this YouTube video needs 10K views for Get the Plan. All you need is share this video more and more. But don't worry, by clicking SuperGrok status, you can see your plan is activated or not. So we will wait for a while and see as our plan is activated or not. Now we back after some moments, and here you can see our SuperGrok for 2 months is activated successfully. And now you can use this without VPN, and it will run 2 months easily. But remember, this video must be needs to reach at least 10K views with a 500 subscribers. Comment HYPE if you want a tutorial about the VEO 3.0 student offer. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.